Hi friends, this is Sumrata Kulkarni. Welcome to Sumanyu'z Food Lab. Today I am going to do a moong dal kheer recipe. The ingredients are like this: milk, sugar, cardamom powder, and almond slices, and 1 cup of dry grated coconut I have taken here, and 1 teaspoon of ghee. Firstly, roast 1 cup of moong dal on a low flame and then keep for boiling. Boil until dal turns to a soft in a texture and add a half glass of milk to it. Stir it well. Now add half bowl of sugar to it. If you want, you can add organic jaggery powder also. Stir it well. Now add almond slices to it. Almonds keeps our heart healthy and keeps skin and hair healthy and controls blood sugar level also. And now I am adding a dry coconut here. It will enhance the taste of this kheer recipe. Now I am adding a 1 teaspoon of ghee to it. Moong dal is one of the most popular vegetarian superfood and it's rich in protein. Now add a cardamom powder to it. Stir it well. Now moong dal kheer is ready to drink. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.